I'm calling out the locals in the Philippines, in Manila, in Central Luzon, and particularly in Benguet Province. This is an invitation for you to join our community, and we will build a community-based project in Atok, Benguet. So, like I mentioned in my previous videos, we will be helping smallholder coffee farmers, and our main product, we will be selling it nationwide and eventually through other Asian countries. So there are a lot of things to talk about, and if you need more reference, you can go to my website, passportturtles.com, or you can just message me here. All right. So we I am inviting anyone from different fields, different sectors, different age groups, different religions. Everyone is welcome. So we'll be needing students too, who can be volunteers and paid interns for our community-based project in Atok. So we will be harvesting coffee beans, cherry beans, and we will process it, and then we will roast it and sell it. We will be talking about other business revenues for you guys, and as well as what other countries are we gonna go after the Philippines. So this is a good venture, and it's a community building movement. And then we will get to know more about our farmers in Benguet. Okay? So it is not just really for coffee lovers, it could be anyone who are conscious about impact and the environment. So the we are already messaging and contacting people who will sponsor our CBP, or community based project. So that will be mentioned also in my future videos. Okay? So hope to see you there in Atok.